report released shows that half of Aboriginal children in Canada are living in poverty. It's 3 times the national average, and officials say fixing it would cost more than $500 million. They are one of the fastest growing populations in Canada, the First Nation. But the Canadian Centre for Policy Alternatives released numbers this week revealing they are enduring poverty unlike most Canadian children and are more like those of a third world country. According to the study, the number of First Nation children living in poverty is at 50%. 12% of non-immigrant children live in poverty. Pamela Shauk is an outreach worker at the Native Friendship Centre of Montreal, where they provide food and programs to Aboriginals.
It's never enough. Some of them, there's maybe 3 or 4 living in one house. That's a lot. I've seen people sleeping on the floors.
The numbers come from census statistics, which defines poverty level at an income of less than $38,000 a year for a family of 4. According to the study, First Nation children are falling behind when compared to other Canadian children in areas such as family income, education, and health, and are also more likely to be jailed, be unemployed, sexually abused, or commit suicide.
It does have a big impact with Aboriginal people, and it does destroy a lot of homes too.
The report reveals children under federal jurisdiction are actually doing worse than those who are getting funding at the provincial level.
I know that there's a lot of cutbacks, especially on the federal part of the government, and I know there's a lot of people that do need programs, and cutting short on welfare too.
The report estimates getting all Indigenous children out of poverty would cost $1 billion and about $580 million for status First Nation children. Ashante Hathaway, Press TV, Montreal.